Okay, March 31st, 2023. You want to come help me shovel?
No.
You don't want to come help me shovel?
It's too hard. It's too much snow.
I always look at how much snow is on the top of that lamp. There's about a foot. The pictures don't even do it justice. Oh good, there goes a plow. That's a first for the morning. Seriously. Oh man. I'm sorry, neighbor Jim. I bought a 13 horsepower snowblower from him about a month ago. He wanted to finish using it this season. Guess I should get out there and help. It's kind of deep out there. Just let the dog out to do her business. Holy cow. I cannot believe it's the end of March. Cannot believe it. I mean, look at the power lines. Look at our soccer net. Look at our back fence. Like, just swing set another foot of snow overnight. Here we go again. Let's time lapse this. Well, I was being nice and doing my neighbor's driveway, and snowblower broke. Just a pin. Hopefully it's an easy, should just be an easy bolt to fix. Shoot. Yep. See if the parts it came with. I can't believe all this snow. Let's see what's going on. I already know. It's that hole right there. There's a pin. There's a pin that goes in that. So I just need to see if I have the part. Yeah, I hit a rock pile off my neighbor's sidewalk. The guy I bought this from gave me all these extra parts. I think that's like the wheel drive. Got a couple extra belts. Oh, there's the cord for electric start. There's an extra key. But shoot, no cotter pin. Shoot. Alright, here's the little Honda. The little red engine that could. I only have that much left. I could probably just do it with a shovel, but hey, I have the extra machine. Actually, I'll hyperlap. Alright, so I got ready for work and off to work I go. There's like another 2 inches of snow out here. At least another inch. Oh, jeez. So, off we go. Let's roll. Alright, off we go in the snow. So typically the plows here keep the roads super clear. And I'd say they've done a pretty dang good job this storm. But check this out. I'm just waiting for the light to turn green. The lights are all messed up with the snow too. Man, it is still coming down. Big old flakes. Alright, come on, green light. Here we go. Here we go. Lady next to me is looking at me like, get off your phone. This is when I need just a dash cam. Yeah, if you could hear that, I'm hitting some pretty good snow. Holy cow. Maybe I should slow down. Oh, someone's calling me. Alright, the craziest thing, I get to work and look at all the snow. Look at all this snow. I mean, it snowed like crazy out here. So yeah, basically all my coworkers don't believe me that I've been shoveling snow all morning because there's so much snow here. Holy cow, look at all the snow. Oh, I just can't believe the difference in a 20-minute commute. Literally, I got a foot of snow at my house this morning. All right, well, 2 hours late for work. Get to work.